You are, it seems, a man of many skills. A rare combination.
Approximately, how much do you make a week?
What's Gucci? I'm going to come at you guys with a quick trade idea here on CGC, Canopy Growth Corporation. This was the first stock I ever put money into, so I really like this stock, and I like what it's showing us here lately. So I'm going to break it down here. If you look, this is back in 2019, June. Start of a big downtrend, okay? Every time this stock went up and tried to break over the 20 EMA, it got rejected. Notable, right? You got to notice these things. This is in a downtrend. Every time it tried to make a higher low, it couldn't. It continued towards the downside, right? So every time it tries to meet up with this 20 EMA, you see and you notice it got overshot, breaks back down. It was in a downtrend. It was under this Kumo cloud. So these are all things that I noticed. It ended up leaving a gap behind here. So there's a bunch of things in this downtrend that we don't like. You don't want to be investing trying to make momentum moves in a downtrend. It's a lot harder. What happens? We see a lot of equilibrium from October 2019 pretty much until September 2020, right? Just bunch of equilibrium sideways trading. But what we have here, I believe, is the start of a nice uptrend. We got continuous higher highs and higher lows, and it's now starting to, ever since it hopped over the 20 EMA, it's starting to use that as like a dynamic support. And it's also starting to get a thicker Kumo cloud here. So there's a lot of good stuff in this stock. We have this gap to fill above, and I think that's nice, man. I'm liking that. Like, we know stocks tend to eventually fill the gaps. We got the Santa Claus rallies right around the corner, apparently, right? So I mean, there's a lot of bullish sentiment in the market right now. So I'm liking this setup here. And to be honest, I'm thinking January 8, 30 calls might be a play. So I might have to see what the price of those are tomorrow and take them. I definitely want to grab some shares for sure. But I'm liking the setup here on CGC, and I'm hoping to see some follow through.